Chemistry helps medicine in different ways, such as in hospital departments. It helps to analyze blood, urine, and things at the lab, to look for proteins or sugar and some other inorganic substances that can be found in your body. And also, most medicines involve a specific enzyme. It is like a blocker, and they can be customized to target a disease. And all this requires chemistry. That's why chemistry is important in medicine.
This thing recording. No, okay, okay. Hi there, my name is Mr. Green, and I'm going to talk to you about how food is related to chemistry. Can you turn your head down, please? Sorry. Well, food processing is the transformation of raw ingredients by physical or chemical means into food. Many people turn their noses up when they hear the word chemistry. Maybe it would be a different story if chemistry reminded people of the smell of warm apple pie or roast potato. Well, food uses chemistry all the time to give them a better taste or to conserve the product. Nitrogen is one of the biggest examples. Irradiation, what? Are you not going to explain nitrogen? No, it's my show and I do what I want. As I was saying, irradiation consists exposed to high levels of radiation to kill harmful insects and bacteria. Then they seal containers in which can be stored for months without packed decompose.
Hello, I have something very interesting to tell you. I'm going to talk to you about the usage of chemistry in warfare. You see, previous to World War I, gas masks were created. This, as you may know, made the use of chemical warfare possible. Fritz Haber, a German chemist, used chlorine gas as a weapon to help Germany win the war. What chlorine gas did was to combine with the water in our cells, which this chemical reaction created acids, which destroyed the tissues in our lungs. This caused many soldiers to die just by breathing in.
The global warming is a very interesting phenomenon that occurs because the human produce too many CO2 and other compounds like N2O and CH4. It is important for us to change our daily routines in order to make this problem to decrease, because if we don't change our habits that help the creation of these compounds, the effect of the global warming is going to increase, and it will have several consequences, like higher temperatures, and this is going to affect the poles. They are going to melt, and it is going to cause catastrophic consequences. So we must take precautions to make this problem to disappear.
My first idea to stop global warming was to put a big fan and blow all the gases out of the earth, but someone told me it was impossible. So here are another three ideas. Number one, we should increment the use of renewable sources such as solar panels. We will help the earth and it will cost less money. So hey, free energy. The second idea is that we should at least one day stop using cars. And the third idea is to use less plastic. Maybe you're asking why. Well, the answer is because it stays inert a long time. Some of them even thousands of years. Imagine how much damage they create.
Chemistry is very important to understand the events in the natural world and know what is happening, and to understand other scientific disciplines like astronomy, geology, biology, etc.
I think that when people talk about chemistry, they think that it's all poisonous gases reactions, your head, oh, sorry, poisonous gases, reaction, and all of that things. But in truth, chemistry is a way to be better. It gives us more chances to live our lives. Thanks for watching.
Well, in my opinion, chemistry is the main of all sciences. This is partly because chemistry studies matter and everything is made of matter. But anyways, if it wasn't for chemistry, we wouldn't have all of the advances we have today for medicine or warfare, alimentation even.
We need to consider the importance of chemistry in our daily life, because without chemistry, some things will be more difficult to do. For example, the study of medicine or the creation of transgenic food. It's very important to us to take in account this, because if one day we have a problem, probably chemistry or anything related to it is going to help us to solve it.
Chemistry in our lives. The chemistry in the last years have been advancing a lot. Because of that, our lives have been more comfortable and efficient in distinct ways. It had also made our lives longer since the creation of the vaccine until the transplant of bone marrow. That's why the chemistry needs to be advancing to make the lives of humans better and longer. Thank you.
In conclusion, we know that chemistry is in a lot of products we use in our daily basis, but we still ignore them. Most of us think that chemistry is only created and used by scientific.